Hello friends, my name is Jackie and welcome to my channel. So for today's video I will be bringing you Irish potato candy recipe. I hope you like this video. It is very tasty and you just got to try it. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notified every time I bring you a video where you can do it yourself. Let's get right into this video. So to start off, you are going to need 1 pack of cream cheese, 8 ounces. Open that up and drop that right on in there. You're going to need 1 stick of butter, half a cup, and make sure that the cream cheese and the butter are already softened before you start this recipe because you want it to incorporate easy. You're also going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1, 2. The next thing you're going to need is 1 bag of powdered sugar. 1 bag is 32 ounces. You can also cut this recipe in half if you wanted to. I never cut it in half because I probably will end up making another batch. I usually like to make a little slit in my bag to let the air out. And then I cut it straight through. If I try to cut it straight through without doing a little tiny slit, the powdered sugar tends to fly up. I'm going to dump this whole entire bag in there. The next thing you're going to need 14 ounces of sweetened coconut flakes. This here is 7 ounces, but I have 2 bags. Dump all of that right in there. If you like coconut or cream cheese, and if you've never tried this recipe, trust me, you're going to want to try this recipe. This is a big hit. For some reason, it's a big hit around St. Patty's Day, even though it's not related to St. Patty's in any kind of way. So there you have it. I got it all in there. I'll be right back once I'm done mixing. So here it is, all blended up. The next thing you're going to do is take 2 tablespoons of ground cinnamon, one tablespoon of sugar, mix that all in there. Grab a pinch of your mixture here. Roll it out and roll it into your cinnamon sugar. And this is what it looks like. Pure deliciousness. Grab another pinch, roll it, and into your mixture. Every year, starting in March, I get lots of requests for this Irish potato. This is really a big seller for me around this time of the year. Have you ever had Irish potatoes? I found it odd a couple years ago when I posted that I was taking orders for the Irish potatoes. A lot of people said they've never heard of it. And strangely enough, it has nothing to do with potatoes. There's no potatoes in this recipe. I think it gets its name because of the appearance of a potato. Not sure if you're familiar with the story about Irish potatoes in the famine years. And I'm guessing that maybe that's probably how it got its name. But these are, oh my gosh, you have to try them. And please leave me a comment and let me know if you tried it or if you've ever had it before. If you like them, if your friends like them, trust me, these will be a big hit if you make these for your friends or for your family. Every time I make them for an order, I really have to hide them from my kids. From my husband. My daughters come over. I'm starting these early because I already have had requests for these here, so I'm starting them early. It's not even Valentine's yet. And here I am making Irish potatoes. But you really don't have to wait for St. Patty's to make this. These are good any time of the year. Just roll it out. And like I said, you don't have to, make this recipe as I've given it to you. You can cut it in half. If you just want to try it out, you can just cut the recipe in half. I will be leaving the recipe in the description below. And let me know how you like these. Now, I've never made these with any type of other filling. Some people like to make them with almonds or walnuts or raisins. I'm more like a plain Jane, so I've never tried those. If anyone ever requests for them to have anything other than what I have, then I would make them for them. But for myself, I'm just a plain Jane, so I'll just take my plain old cream cheese and coconut. Cut one of these open for you. Look at that. It almost reminds me of a snickerdoodle. Look at that. Here, you want to try one? Haha. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate you stopping by my channel and watching this video. Please leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of it, if you're trying it. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell. I appreciate you. And to the next video, I'll see you later.